Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Audi TT boot. The most common way is using your key fob. Simply locate the boot release button, which often has a small boot icon, and press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. You should hear the latch disengage, allowing you to lift the boot lid. Always ensure your key fob has a fresh battery for reliable operation. Another convenient method is using the interior boot release button. This button is usually found on the driver's side door panel, often near the window controls, or sometimes on the center console between the front seats. A single, firm press of this button will electronically release the boot latch, allowing you to open it from the exterior. If electronic methods fail, perhaps due to a flat battery, you can use the manual emergency release. For some older Audi TT models, this is located under the center console. You might need to remove a cup holder or a small panel to reveal an orange or brightly colored loop. Pull this loop with steady force, and you will hear the boot latch release. For many newer Audi TT models, the manual boot release is found behind the rear seats. You will typically need to fold down the left rear backrest. Look for a small cover or panel, which you can gently pry off using your emergency key blade or a similar flat tool. Beneath this, you will find a plastic cord. Pull it to manually open the boot.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.